Welcome to the Asset Protection Hour on Howard Financial Radio with your host, Lance Howard, founder of Howard Financial and Wealth Management and Howard Financial and Insurance Services. And now, get ready for the Asset Protection Hour with Lance Howard.
Welcome to the Asset Protection Hour with Howard Financial Radio. I'm Lance Howard, a.k.a. The Protector, and with me as usual, Tony Shore. Tony, welcome to the show.
Well, thanks, Lance. It's great to be here again today. A lot of the media has kind of been yelling the sky is falling and the market is so volatile right now.
I think that they're playing off of events that the sky is falling, the world's coming to an end, and equities are going to crash, the market's going to crash. And that's a problem when you play into the fear of all of that. And we don't want to play into the fear. We want to use solid financial advice, and that's why we use Mike Binger and Wayne Schmidt. Joining me is Mike Binger. He's a chartered financial analyst, and he's the senior portfolio manager for Gradient Investments. Now, Mike, you've also been on many financial news networks. So why don't you tell us about those that you've been on and what they're really looking to you for when you're on those?
There's Bloomberg News, there's CNBC, which I think most of us are familiar with, and there's also Fox Business News. They want to know what's going on this hour, this day, this trading period, and they want to hear it succinctly, and they want to get your expert opinion from someone who's been doing this for 20 plus years.
And now with me is Wayne Schmidt, Chief Investment Officer of Gradient Investments. Wayne, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Lance. Good to be back. From my standpoint, I went into the year expecting bonds to return kind of the coupon, 2-3% type returns, right. And we've exceeded those expectations.
We all know the market can be volatile and we could have another 2008, but the only way you're going to really tackle that is by having a great plan in place. And that's where you and Mike, what Mike was saying is so true, and it's such solid advice.
As an investment advisor, I do have that fiduciary responsibility, so I cannot be that cavalier with the advice that I give. Just, let's simply do market timing and read a newsletter and figure it out on our own. I don't think that's the best way to do it.
To catch Lance hosting the Asset Protection Hour, be sure to tune in to News Talk 1180 and 96.1 KERN Saturdays from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. or visit howardfinancialradio.com to listen to past shows.